wanted to show you the rechargeable hearing aids from NuEar. Patients have really loved these. They are as easy as can be. You don't have to open and close a battery door anymore. You can just take your hearing aids out at night and drop them in. A little magnet pulls it into place and your hearing aids will charge. There's little lights that will blink when it's charging, and then they're solid green when it's fully charged. When you take them out the next morning, they are ready to go. Put them in. The beauty of it is you don't have a battery that runs out in the middle of the day anymore. It is good all day long, and then you just charge it up that night. They have been wonderful. Patients have been loving them.